Again, your team stuck to the coach's instruction. You can see that your team possession based, had most of the ball, and the team stuck to the coaching plan that you set to them. Give your summary on the game, coach.
Real disciplined performance, you know, high work rate. The spells when we didn't have the ball, that's when we showed our discipline. The spells when we did have the ball, you know, we were sort of settled in possession for spells, and then we'd always got the threat up front.
Your keeper, got the man of the match. Give you a summary of his game.
Yeah, I mean, he's full of one great save off. I thought the others were, you know, didn't think they'd missed too many sitters, but you know, that's what he gets paid for, you know, and that's what the keeper's there to do, keep the ball out of the net.
Your centre forward that scored the goal shows that he's learning from you guys, you know, moving from Mullines up to Mount Pleasant, and he gave you that lead. Tell us about his game so far, his performance so far for Mount Pleasant.
Well, we did quite a bit of work with Cash when he first came in, you know, and I've told him to keep his instructions pretty clear and simple, you know, provide that threat in behind, secure possession for us because he's a big strong lad, he's mobile. I think he's relishing playing with Reggie, you know, he's playing with some good clever players who, you know, when he makes the runs they can find him.
Thank you very much, continue the good work. I hope to see you guys in the final.
Alright, thanks.